parents, teachers, and most importantly, the 70 girls and boys who are graduating from preschool today. Bulavanaka, and a very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been doing this job for a little while, but I think this is one of the best days I've had so far. It's wonderful to see all the different colors here today, and I only chose this orange and blue by accident, and I don't know, but it must be God. Indeed, a pleasure for me to be here today to officiate at the annual graduation ceremony, and it's indeed a very, very special day. And ladies and gentlemen, today is about the children, and as such, I wish to really focus on these special young people that are sitting here today. And they absolutely look fantastic, don't they? And I think they actually deserve a huge round of applause from all of them. Today, ladies and gentlemen, is about all these young boys and girls, and I know it's difficult for all of them to sit still for a long time, so I promise you I won't be long, and I'll try and keep my speech short. There's a quote that I have, and this is from Stasia Tauscher, and she said, "We worry about what a child will become tomorrow, yet we forget that he is someone today," and I think it's very important to remember that. As parents and teachers, ladies and gentlemen, we put a lot of time and a lot of energy into preparing our children for the future, and rightly so. We need to equip our children with lifelong skills and to prepare them for adulthood. And it is our collective responsibility to guide and to mold the leaders of tomorrow, and for it is them, right, that the future will have to depend on. And therefore the teachers, ladies and gentlemen, outside the preschool world, if you're in the audience today, I ask you for a favor. Look at these bright and enthusiastic faces, and please make sure you nurture them well, because they are definitely needed in a country like ours. They have a love for learning and a treasure, and they are absolute treasures every day at school. And do whatever it is in your power to keep them this way as long as possible. And don't squash it with test preparations, award competitions, and overly standardized learning. And especially, and this is also for the parents, and I urge you, all of you parents, to continue encouraging and continue supporting in the manner that you have a child's learning. Actively participate in the school activities, which I know all of you do, and especially in this particular school, as they need your time, they need your attention, and especially at this tender age. Ladies and gentlemen, our children are the key to a better and a peaceful nation, and if they are taught well. And I think these bunch of children here, these 70 children, they already look like they're going to be wonderful Fijians. Today, as we pay tribute to the young ladies and gentlemen of tomorrow, we know that they have started their remarkable journey towards achieving this particular goal. And this year has seen them grow and develop exponentially. They have learned so much, they have remained eager and enthusiastic, and they have grown in so many ways. And our sincere thanks and appreciation goes to all the teachers and parents of Bethel Crusade Preschool for the fantastic role that you have all played to facilitate today's process. So now, boys and girls, I need to tell you that how proud we are of you today. Today is your special day. So we have all come together to say well done. And we really couldn't feel any prouder, and you are all superstars, and we're happy to say it even louder. Aren't they all superstars, ladies and gentlemen? We're all incredibly special people today. Right now, as you sit here in front of us, you've all worked very hard to learn more every day, and you've played hard also. You've made new friends, and you have all tried to be a good friend too. Well done, and congratulations to each and every one of you, and you can feel proud of the fact that you all have done this year. So today, boys and girls, give yourself a pat on the back. At your graduation, you are now on the fast track to lifelong learning, lifelong education, and success in the years ahead. And we're sure that you'll continue to impress, and one day maybe this school will produce the Prime Minister of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, our young children will move into a year with new challenges that they have to deal with. And as they move into their respective tomorrows, and so bright with goals that they've already achieved and more dreams to still aspire to, we say to them, please enjoy being 5 also. Hold on to your will to explore new things and new places, of not only seeing the 7 wonders in the world, but several thousand wonders in the world. Work hard and play straight, and may you stay in your spirit and your soul forever young. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it is with my heartfelt congratulations once again to you, our 70 graduates, and the work that you have done in the past year. Keep the memory of the past year in your mind and never forget what it is possible when you love learning and let your curiosity lead the way. And also at this time, ladies and gentlemen, I must say thank you to all the parents. This is absolutely wonderful today. I'm not kidding when I say this is one of the best days I've had so far in my job. So thank you very much to the parents, and binawa level to all the teachers. Thank you very much, and I'm sure we'll catch up with all of you later on. Thank you. Naka.